I'm Jane Clark, one of the Rex Stone team, and our World Book Day book is On the Trail of a T-Rex. It's a standalone Dinosaur Club series book. And the author name on it is Rex Stone, which is an exciting name made up by the team. There's a whole load of people behind this book making up the great stories, and I'm just the writer of this one, which is why I've got the t-shirt. In my own name, I've written loads of books. You can see quite a few of them up there. They all involve wildlife in some way, and that's why it's been such a huge pleasure to be part of the team working on the Dinosaur Club books. There's quite a few of them out, and we hope you'll enjoy discovering them too, and that you'll find your favourite dinosaur in them.